Third week of the lockdown is coming to an end. Will things get back to normal on Monday? Nobody knows. A local company by the name Precision Aerial is looking to use drones to disinfect areas of the city like bus ranks, marketplaces, and home industry areas. They are looking to partner up with Clean City, who have already been working with City of Harare to disinfect some of these areas. Drones, however, will be able to do the job 8 times faster than what the people with knapsacks will be able to do. And also they reduce the risk of exposure to the virus, as the drone only needs one operator who can do the job at a safe distance. Kufema, one of the local companies looking to make ventilators, showcased their early prototype. The prototype is based on an open source design from Oxford, and in an earlier update they also mentioned they have 2 teams working on 2 different ventilator prototypes just in case one does not pan out well. Kufema also gave updates mentioning that they will also be making some small and overlooked apparatus for use by the medical field over and above their ventilator prototypes. Over the course of the week, South Africa's president announced an extension to their lockdown. Soon after, there were some rumors that the Zimbabwe president would also be extending the lockdown, with the rumor suggesting that the president of Zimbabwe would be copy-pasting whatever measures South Africa puts up. This is what he had to say about it.
I've never made such a statement. We have now a law which punishes those who produce fake news. And I believe that I've asked the CIO to make a trace as to who did this one, to say the president has made an extension when I have not. So that if we catch this person, it must be exemplary, and they must go in for at least at level 14. Which is 20 years imprisonment.
In a time of crisis, fake news actually does more harm than good. News on official announcements in Zimbabwe is available on WhatsApp if you simply send the word health to the WhatsApp numbers 0717 684 274. While you're at it, you can also send the word airtime to the same WhatsApp number 0717 684 274. and buy your Net1, Telecel or Econet airtime using EcoCash. Academic institutions are currently closed due to the lockdown, and to salvage some learning over the lockdown period, the government has proposed that students should make use of e-learning portals to access educational material. The Zimbabwe National Students Union, ZINASU, on the other hand, is not too happy with that proposition, highlighting that students face challenges in the form of unreliable power availability and the stratospheric price of data. Already, a number of university students rely on campus and library Wi-Fi to access online material, something they are no longer able to do over the lockdown. For these reasons, the ZINASU has denied the government's proposition. The government announced that they will be issuing out COVID-19 relief funds exclusively through OneMoney. This, above anything else, has sparked a debate of the government looking to prop up Net1 through this initiative. The most prominent question is that why is the government choosing a platform with 6.4% market share and ignoring one with over 90%? Other arguments raised is why pick out one platform when all 3 could be used to distribute these funds? The argument goes on to say it's not fair for a Telecash subscriber, for example, to be forced to buy a Net1 line just to receive relief funds. However, if we were to look at it, this is not the first time that the government has given free business to OneMoney. Tobacco payouts to tobacco farmers are being issued out through OneMoney as well, and have been for quite some time. However, this has not translated to a growth for OneMoney simply because their merchant network is not nearly as strong as that of EcoCash. Ultimately, if places where I can use OneMoney are limited, then so will my OneMoney usage. EcoCash has reduced minimum airtime one can buy from $4 to $2. This is after a growing number of requests had come to them for a reduction in this figure. While they have reduced it to $2, it's still not good enough, At times you just want to use the very last dollar you have in your EcoCash, and not being able to do so is quite frustrating. Well, if you send the word airtime to the WhatsApp number 0717-684-274, you can buy that dollar airtime with the last dollar that's in your EcoCash. That's all for the news this week. See you again next Friday. Don't forget to share this video with a friend.